here with an easy breezy dinner idea. It's crispy baked chicken wings with mayo chili dip and egg fried rice. Yes, you heard it right, crispy baked chicken wings. I will show you how to bake chicken wings in the oven and still get that crispy fried texture and taste. Then I'll show you how to make some egg fried rice with some leftover rice and whip up a quick mayo chili dip to have it with the wings. Okay, so who doesn't like wings? At my shack, we are all wing lovers. We like them deep fried, air fried, oven baked, or even grilled. We will have them any way they are cooked. So these crispy oven baked wings are as crispy as the fried ones and as less oily as the baked ones. So if you're craving crispy wings and not in the mood to deep fry them, then here's a superb way to get them all crispy. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon mustard powder, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 2 tablespoon baking powder, and 200 gram butter. You'll definitely need 3 kilograms of wings. Remove the ends and cut the wings into two. You can see over here that I've separated all 3 parts of the wings and I'm not going to use the ends. Now use a kitchen towel to pat them dry a bit. Next, we will mix all the dry ingredients and sprinkle it on the wings. All the wings are covered with the flour and spice mixture, and please use a deep dish to mix them and don't make a mess like I did. Now here's the important part. Take an oven rack and place it on a roasting pan. Brush a little oil on top, place all the wings on the oven rack and let it air dry in the fridge for 2 hours. Using an oven rack and roasting pan helps to dry the flour mixture on wings and later helps in getting the wings crispy. After 2 hours, pull out the tray and place baking paper or foil under the rack on the roasting pan. Melt the butter and pour some on the wings. You can also use oil, but I prefer butter. When all the wings are buttered up, remove the excess butter from the tray and place the tray in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. So you can see over here that I left a bit of butter there, which wasn't a very good idea. Why? Because look, this happened. So make sure you clean up good after putting some oil or butter on the wings. So this is how they look after 30 to 40 minutes of baking. They are already crisp from top. Now flip them and bake the other side until it's crisp and done. You can see over here that I flipped them. Now I'm going to put in the oven for 10 to 15 more minutes, or until they are crispy from both sides. Once done, just check if it's crispy enough for you. Pull them out of the oven and let them cool on the rack for a few minutes before placing them in a serving platter. Serve and enjoy! Okay, confession. I always, and I'll say it again, always use leftover rice for this. I don't remember especially boiling rice for egg fried rice. So here are all the ingredients you'll need to make this yummy side dish. 3 cups leftover rice, 2 cups frozen vegetable mix, 1 onion cut into small squares, 4 teaspoons sugar, 3 eggs, salt and pepper according to your taste, soya sauce also according to your taste. First, we will fry the eggs. Heat some butter or oil in a pan. Crack 3 eggs in a bowl and add salt and red chili powder according to your taste. Whisk them and pour them in a pan with the heated butter. Cook the eggs the way you make scrambled eggs, but at the end, break them down into small bits and fry until completely done. Once they are fully cooked, take them out on a plate and keep them aside. Heat some more butter or oil and add your onions in it. Usually I use olive oil for this, but I had leftover melted butter, so I thought I'll use butter and not waste it. And I think butter enhances the taste of rice. What do you think? Once your onions are sauteed, add the mixed vegetable and fry for a minute or two. Sprinkle sugar on the veggies. Sugar helps maintain the color of the veggies and not let them wilt while cooking. Now stir fry them for a few more minutes. When the veggies are almost cooked, add salt and pepper and stir. Stir for a few minutes and then add soya sauce and stir some more. When the veggies are cooked, add your leftover rice and stir fry them for a few good minutes. Stir fry them until they're hot and steaming, and then add scrambled eggs and stir fry for a few more minutes. Now they are done. Oh, they look so colorful. My children absolutely love this rice, especially with some wings and loads of tomato sauce. Now I'll show you how to make a quick dip. I really like this dip. It's like a mixture of garlic mayo dip and chili mayo dip. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. Half cup mayonnaise, quarter cup sour cream, quarter cup chili sauce, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, and quarter teaspoon salt. You can adjust salt and cayenne pepper according to your taste. Mix all of these thoroughly until well combined and pour it out in a cute little dip dish. There you go, easy breezy. This dinner idea is great for weekend dinner as it takes time in setting the flour and then also in baking the wings. But the fried rice, you can make it any day of the week with some leftover rice and frozen veggies. They are really quick to whip up and taste delicious. You can pair them up with chicken drumsticks, chicken tenders, or chicken bites. You can even have them with fish or any prawn gravy. They are the best rice side dish ever. These three things go well together, and that's why I thought I'll share all of them in one go. If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious and yummy wing recipes coming following week. Comment down below and let me know what you will serve your egg fried rice with. Thanks for watching and bye for now.